Okay, Cedric. What is Gani? The male part of the flower? Stamen. Sophia. What is the female part of the flower? Pistil. Hannah. What is the male part of the flower? Stamen. What is the male part of the flower, Shan? Pistil. What is the male part of the flower? Stamen. What is the female part of the flower? Very good. Palakpakan. What is the male part of the flower? Ha? Oh, ay. What is the male part? 5, 4. Ayaw tudlo Sophia. What is the female part of the flower, Anjo? Female. What is the female part of the flower? What is the male part of the flower? Stamen. What is the male part of the flower, Hannah? Pistil. What is the female part of the flower? Stamen na po. Uy, si Sir, bagibali-bali ramon ni Sir. Pero the same, what is the female part of the flower, Cedric? What is the male part of the flower? Stamen. Okay. Oh, sobraan takas lang. Oh, what is the male part of the flower, Andrea? Pistil. Surrender na si Sir. What is the female part of the flower, Anjo? Kosge. Stamen. What is the female part of the flower, Anjo? Pistil. What is this male part of the flower? Stamen. Oh, Shan, what is the male part of the flower? Pistil. Tama ba? Unsay tama nga answer? Oh, dili pa malibog. Pag male part, oh, nipis. Stamen. Again, if male part of the flower, unsa? Pag female, oh, stamen. Pistil. Oh. Kitli, what is the male part of the flower? Kosge. Pis na po daw. Huh? What is the male part of the flower? Yes. Hannah. Stamen. Oh. What is the female part of the flower? What is the male part of the flower? Stamen. Oh. What is the male part of the flower? Shine. Female. Very good. Female. Stamen. Pistil. Di lagi magkalibog. Ato na siya gibaylo-baylo ha, pero dili magkalibog. Okay? Nakasabot. Female. Male. Stamen. Stamen. Female. Dapat kuan kanang kung ang gid siya ha, kanang unsa ni kanang dapat isara gyud in unison. Female. Nine is stamen. Female. Female part, pistil. Male part, stamen. Stamen, male part. Pistil, female part. Nakasabot? What is the female part of the flower?
Pistil.
What is the male part of the flower? Male part. Wa na gyud taan eh. Wa na, mag-test na ko. You get 1 whole sheet of paper. Oh, samot na kapatay. Ayaw na yun kalimti.